Jatend kweth jood bura mathoth e Senate Aaron Cheriot, jaod bura ma kaunti ma Bomet Beatrice Kemei kod nyawadgi mar Aina Moi Benjamin Langat odok ne chenro mar sirkal ma dwaro jopuonj madongo mag sikund secondary mondo chul fees mag jopuonjre e lai mar e-citizen. Kane giloso e skund secondary mar Laliat e kach ng'od bura ma Aina Moi, jotelogo noramo ni mano e yo kende ma tieko midhiero ma jopuonj madongo siko medo school fees, ataro kod school fees mopuodhi gi migawo mar somo. Kara kamano, jata tije maduong' mar riwruog jopuonj mar skunde secondary Kupet e kaunti ma Kericho Mary Rotich ne nigi luoro ni chenro mar e-citizen dhi dino ne jopuonjre ma jonyuolgi osebedo ka chulo fees kokalo e tero cham, yien kaachiel kod tiyo ne skundego eko.
We want parents to pay ile fees ambaye imesemekana ilipwe. That's why tumesema weka yote kwa e-citizen ili tunaona account inakuja tu, itakuja kwa account yenu. Hii hapa Lalia, hakuna mtu anaguza pesa yenu, lakini serikali inataka kuona ni shilingi ngapi hii wazazi wanalipa. Hiyo mimi sione kama ni mbaya. Sababu najua president ako na agenda, anasema zero tolerance to corruption. Hatutaki ufisadi, imemaliza Kenya yetu. That's why we must stand up and fight against corruption everywhere.
We appreciate that because of the many reasons, the much concern is to have funding well taken care of, and the schools will benefit from the same. So national schools, that is something good. And when we come to our schools, I believe whatever money that we have, we should take care of.
It's not like the money is getting away, just to improve the accountability. But I think maybe we need a discussion. We need a discussion so that we see the disadvantages and the advantages.
Tunaomba kwa unyenyekevu ya kwamba ndio shule ziende vizuri, ndio kazi iendelee vizuri. Wacha wazazi walipe wakitumia any method. Wakiwa na maharagwe, wakiwa na mahindi, wakiwa na maziwa, walete shuleni.
Gavana Masamburu Jonathan Leleit